Somali Bible Society, SBS, is coordinating a new and exciting ministry, equipping and mobilizing Somali evangelists. Methods and strategies. The Somali Bible Society, SBS, is training evangelists and church leaders in the disciple-making movement, DMM strategy. This approach focuses on obedience-based discipleship, empowering every church member to fulfill Jesus' command to make disciples, Matthew 28:19-20. By equipping Somali believers as evangelists, SBS anticipates exponential growth in the Somali church, with each disciple making another disciple. Objectives and goals. Goals. 1. Equip and deploy 500 self-supporting evangelists within 5 years. 2. Train and deploy 400 church leaders within 5 years. 3. Ensure that each SBS-trained evangelist trains 10 additional evangelists. 4. Aim for each evangelist to lead 50 Somali Muslims to the Lord Jesus by 2034. Objectives. 1. Develop a disciple-making movement that will lead to the multiplication of churches across the Somali Peninsula and transform the Somali nation. 2. Transform the Somali Peninsula from a harvest field into a sending force. By 2033, SBS and its ministry partners plan to send cross-cultural missionaries to East Africa, West Africa, North Africa, the Middle East, and beyond. Anticipated outcomes: the full 10-year term. 1. 5,000 trained and mobilized evangelists who will serve as tent makers, ensuring the sustainability of the disciple-making and church-planting movement in the Somali Peninsula. 2. 2,500 churches organized and led by 2,500 trained church leaders. 3. 25,000 cell groups coordinated by the 2,500 churches. 4. 250,000 adult Somali Muslims becoming followers of Jesus by 2034, as detailed in this chart. Please get in touch with SBS to support this remarkable ministry.